In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a member to an Otter.ai channel. Whether you're a team leader, a project coordinator, or just someone managing a group conversation, knowing how to add members effectively can streamline your communication process significantly. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, we need to head over to the Otter.ai website. Open up your web browser and type in Otter.ai to get started. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the option to log in. Use your credentials to access your account. If you've saved your password, logging in will be a breeze, but if not, be sure to have it handy for a smooth entry. After you're successfully logged in, you'll notice a search option labeled Ask or Search on the main page. Now, you'll want to direct your attention to the left side of the screen where a sidebar menu is located. Here you'll find a variety of options. Click on Channels. Channels are essentially groups or forums within Otter.ai, allowing multiple users to collaborate and share notes seamlessly. Once you're in your channels, you need to select the specific one you're interested in adding members to. Simply click on the desired channel from your list. With your channel opened, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should spot an invite icon staring back at you. This is your gateway to adding new members. It's typically represented by a small figure with a plus sign, and clicking on it will prompt an invite window to pop up. In this invite window, you'll find a space to enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to add to your channel. Be sure to double check those email addresses for accuracy. Nothing holds up progress like a typo here. Once you've carefully entered each email, move your cursor to the invite button and give it a click. Congratulations are in order. You've just invited new members to your Otter.ai channel. They'll receive an invitation via email, and upon accepting, they'll gain access to all the collaborative tools and conversations happening within your channel. This can significantly enhance your group's productivity and ensure everyone is on the same page. Remember, inviting the right members is the first step towards fostering a collaborative environment. As you add more participants, consider how each individual can contribute and share in the collective goals of your team. That concludes our tutorial for today. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough of how to add members to an Otter.ai channel. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to managing your group communications more efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Have a great day and see you in the next video.